Hi,
Um,
good
How are you
afternoon.
doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What about you? How are you doing?
Yes, I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking me. So tell me about your day. How was your day so far?
It was quite relaxing day today. I didn't have to do a lot of things, so it was like quite relaxing. And this is my first session today, so yeah. What about you?
Wow. Yes, yes. This is my first session today. So
Okay.
I'm really excited for this conversation.
Yes,
Yeah.
me too. I am also very excited to have a conversation with you. And I think we should start by introducing ourselves.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll
So I will do first, okay?
okay.
So my name is Nawal Ajmera, and I am talking to you from Jaipur city, which is in Rajasthan state. And if I talk about my profession, currently I am working in a company as an e-commerce executive, and it has been more than 3 years I have been working in this sector. And apart from this, I am working on my communication skills because, as we all know, communication skills are very, very crucial in our personal and professional life both. So that is the only reason I'm here, and I'm also running a YouTube channel where I post English conversational videos.
Yes.
So yeah, that's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. So, since how long have you been on YouTube?
Ma'am, I have been running this channel for more than 7 to 8 months.
Okay, that's nice. So, how it is going?
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's going well. Like these, I'm not uploading, conversational videos,
Hmm.
because like these days, Skype is not working properly.
Yes.
So, and now, yeah. So that's why I'm creating solo videos, getting good response. Like yesterday or maybe day before yesterday, I uploaded one solo videos and I got 4,000 views
Wow, that's so nice.
on that video. Yeah, and before that, I uploaded one solo video. For like on that video, I got like 500 above 500 views.
Yes. So, what do you? I think I personally. Okay, so there is difference between making conversation videos and solo videos. So, what do you like the most? Making conversational videos or solo videos? What do you enjoy the most?
Okay, but for solo videos, so making a solo video is quite difficult because you
Yes,
have to
it
put
is.
a lot of efforts.
That's true.
But
Yes.
if I talk about, yes, yes. If I talk about conversational video, like, so it's quite easy. We don't
Yes.
have to do anything like extra. We don't have to
Yes.
put a lot of efforts. We don't have to do editing and at all. Like, not at
Exactly.
all. Like sometimes we have to remove like unnecessary part from the
Yes.
video,
That's true.
but it's quite convenient.
Yes, that's true. I mean, in comparison to solo video, conversation videos are a little bit like easier than solo video.
Yeah,
But one more thing,
yeah,
I because okay, so and initially I used to when I started my YouTube channel that time I used to make only solo videos. So I personally love to make solo videos. I love to make solo videos because I don't know. I feel like I can speak in front of my camera and I can say whatever I want to say, and I don't even feel like I am talking to. It feels so comfortable for me to speak with my camera and to say whatever I want to say. But for me,
yes, yes.
yes, but for me, conversation videos is something like you for me it is also a kind of little difficult because I feel like talking with others and communicating with them, it is also something like you have to make some efforts. You are not going to say
Yes, yes.
anything, right? You have to talk with them. You
Absolutely.
have yes. For me, I'm not sure about everyone, but for me it is also something like you have to work on yourself to communicate with others as well, because I'm an introvert and
Yes.
yeah, so I find it a little bit, it is not that easy for me. This is what I feel.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it can be like, difficult for like many people and it can be convenient for many people. So it
Yes.
depends person to
Yes.
person. Yeah.
Yes. Of course, the editing
So
part is
solo
not that
video,
much. Yes. Please
mhm.
go ahead.
Yes, yes. Editing part is not that much difficult if I do, yeah, when it comes to conversation videos.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Mm. So, like, do you do everything by your own, like editing videos or making, like, like
Yes,
thumbnail, everything do you do by your own?
yes, I don't
Okay,
have
how did you
anyone.
learn?
Actually, okay, before that I used to feel like I wouldn't be able to do it. But when I started my YouTube channel, after that I started learning it all by myself, and I used to check on YouTube then how I can do this and that. And before that I didn't even know that you have to make thumbnails, and there are a lot of things, right? When you start a YouTube channel, only then you learn all these kind of things. There are so many things. Before that, I used to feel like making videos is very easy. But now I understood that
Yes,
it
yes,
is
yes.
not that much easy. It is very difficult. You have to do so many things.
Yes, yes, we have to do so many things. You are right.
Yes,
So now you are like you now you know everything about upload videos, like solo videos, conversation videos. Okay, nice.
yeah.
So
And
now, like, would you like to make solo videos? Like you are making, or like you will start making solo videos?
no, initially when I started my YouTube channel, that time I used to make solo videos only. Then I took 6 month gap, like break, and I was not posting anything. And I started these conversational video 1 month ago. So right now sometimes I do make solo videos as well. As I told you, I love making solo videos, and right now I am working on my communication skills. That's why I am doing these conversation videos, because it is helping me to like boost my communication skills. But side by side I want to like make solo videos as well, because I like making solo videos, so I want to make those videos as well.
Okay. So I want to ask you one more question, that what do you want to achieve on YouTube? Like, why did you start your channel? Why did you start
Okay.
your YouTube channel? What do you want to achieve through YouTube?
Okay. Uh, when I started my YouTube channel, that time I did not have any idea like that I want to achieve something from YouTube. That time I started it because I wanted to improve myself, improve my fluency, improve my like I wanted to boost my confidence, and I was not doing anything at that time. So I decided that I want to do, and actually, yes, I have written it on my diary that I am starting this channel just because I want to improve my confidence, I want to improve my fluency, and that's all. I don't want to do it because I am hoping something or I am expecting something from it. But when
Mhm.
you do a lot of hard work to make something, then you start feeling like, okay, if I can get something from it, then it is not bad.
Mhm.
Of course, after that you do
Yes.
expect things, but initially when I started, that time I did not have any expectations. I was doing it because I wanted to improve myself. That's it. And I think I have
Okay.
improved a lot.
Yeah, I can see that. And after joining, like, YouTube channel, like, what kind of skills have you developed? Like, many people, like, they build their confidence level. They,
Yes.
the way they speak, they improve that. So what kind of things have you improved?
Yes, there are a lot of things. Like I before that I was very camera shy. I was not able
Mhm.
to speak in front of camera. I used to hesitate after hearing my voice or listening to my voice. I was that much underconfident about my voice. I don't know. I used to hate my voice. Whenever I used to listen to my voice in any video, I used to feel like just delete it. I don't want to listen to it. But I, after starting YouTube channel, I become so confident and comfortable with my own voice, or in talking with camera. Before that I used to be very camera shy. I was like I didn't like to make videos and these kind of things. But now I'm very comfortable and
Mm,
confident. Yes, and I have gained confidence in speaking as well.
that's
Yes, it was the kind of practice for me to
mm,
speak in this
yes,
language. Yes.
yes, yes, yes. I can see that, like, you have improved a lot. When we start something new, like, in initial days, we face a lot of difficulties. But when we do it, like, continuously, so we become better at it. Okay, so now I
Definitely.
can see the improvement in yourself, and you are doing better. And I hope you will do like better, like in
Yes.
upcoming months and upcoming days. Definitely you
Yeah,
will do better.
hopefully.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Anything else do you want to ask me?
Yeah, I also wanted to ask about your journey, about YouTube, like how did you start and why did you start all these things?
Okay, so I think I started, I think my YouTube channel 7 to 8 months ago. So I started it like 7 to 8 months ago. So I wanted to improve my communication skills. That's why I started my YouTube channel. And later I got to know about the YouTube channels. Like they were uploading so like conversational videos. So I thought like
Yeah,
I should also upload conversational videos. You know,
yeah,
so that I can keep eye on my progress. So
yeah.
like that's how I started.
That's
Even one day
nice.
one day I was watching English conversational video, so I thought like let's start uploading videos.
Okay, that's
I was
amazing.
having I was having conversations before. I was having conversations before, but I was not uploading. But then I thought someone like motivated me. Like I think now I remember Sunita Rawat ma'am. She said me
Okay.
now Naval you can
Yes, I know.
you
I
should start your channel. So
okay.
yeah, then I
Wow.
started my channel.
Yes, I mean, sometimes we hesitate a lot to do all these things because I was also
Yeah.
afraid of like being judged and all these kind of things. But then we have to courage. If like if we really want to do something, we should go for that, right?
Yes, yes, you are right.
It
Yeah,
helps you.
so in initial time, I was very shy, like you.
Yes,
Yeah, I could not like I could not imagine like in front of camera. But
exactly.
like when I started it, like yeah, when I started it, like in initial time, I faced a lot of difficulties like you. But now later I became like comfortable.
Yes, it happens. I used to feel like I am introvert and I am not made for all these things. I can never do these things. But I think these are the things which come with practice. If you are doing something every single day, you will get better in that thing, right? It comes with
Yeah. So
practice.
what we do is like we compare ourselves with others.
Yeah,
We compare like like that person is doing very nice, and I think I will not be able to do like so. Okay.
exactly.
So we compare, and yeah, that's why we do not start working on ourselves. Yeah, that is the only reason. We compare a lot.
Yes, and then we think about others as well, that how they are going to react and how they are going to say things about us. So that's how we demotivate ourselves and then we hold back ourselves to do what we want to do. So that's
Mhm.
true. But I think
Nice.
my channel is not going I have a very small channel, very small channel. I have very few subscribers, but still like I feel confident about myself and I feel like okay, I am learning something from it. And I am really learning a lot of things by having conversation with different people and learning about them and learning about myself as well.
Ma'am, I want to tell you one thing that, like I have seen many people, like, they, like they have uploaded like number of videos, like 200 videos, 300 videos, but they are like, they have very less subscribers. But like, like one day what happens, like, suddenly they start getting, good number of subscribers.
Yes,
So, you can become famous at any time. So yeah, so we should not think about like, result. We should think about process.
yes,
So this is the only, like I'm not thinking about my results. Like I am not thinking like I will become very big YouTuber. I'm thinking about process. Like let's suppose if I will not be very big YouTuber, at least I will learn. I will improve myself.
that's true. That's
So I'm thinking about only progress.
that's so true. I mean, we are getting something. It is not like we are not getting at all. We are not getting anything at all,
Yes, yes.
right? We are still
So
getting.
after uploading like number of videos, you can become famous. Like we don't know anything about future.
Yes,
So like if we truly work on ourselves, we like every day we become better if we really like if we are working honestly.
yes, that's true.
Yes.
That's so true. Okay, so okay, so tell me something like what are the other things you are doing like apart from having conversations and going to
Apart
work? Do you have some
apart from
specific hobby?
conversation,
Yes.
if I talk about my like hobbies, so I don't have many hobbies. Like I like to watch cricket. So it is very common in India. Like everyone likes to watch cricket.
Yes.
There are very like people. There are people who do not
Main,
watch. There are I don't know how to say this sentence,
mainly
but there are
the
very less
boys
people.
and
There
boys
are
and
there are
men's.
very less people. There are very less people, but number of people watch cricket in India.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I wanted to say. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, this is my hobby. Like I like to watch cricket, and I am working on my English, and yeah, that's all of yeah, my hobbies.
Okay, that's nice. So how is your working life
And what
going
about
on?
you?
Okay, I have
Yeah, my
multiple
working
hobbies.
life. Okay, you can go, you can carry on. Yeah.
Okay, so my hobbies are I love to reading books, watching movies, and listening to music. And nowadays, like interacting with peoples, that is my hobby.
Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. So, do you watch Hindi Bollywood movies or Hollywood movies or South Indian movies? What kind of movies
Yes,
do you watch?
yes, all of them. I watch Hollywood, Bollywood, and South movie as well. Bollywood movie, I don't watch a lot of Bollywood movies. I watch only if I'll see that this is like worth watching, then I can watch that. Otherwise, I don't watch a lot of Bollywood movies. But I am interested in Hollywood movies and series, drama series, and Tollywood movies as well. I like them. Like there are one movie,
KGF.
yes, KGF. That was my favorite movie, and yes, I really like that movie. And one is RRR.
RRR.
Yes,
Yes,
I
yes.
like both
KGF
of
and
them.
RRR. Yeah, both are very nice movies. Yeah,
Yes, and
I
KGF
have
Part
watched
2,
both of
I
them.
really like
Yeah,
that.
I have watched both movies.
Yes, so I like South movie as well.
Mm, yes, yes. Wonderful. Nice. So
What about
I
you?
think right now I'm in the office. So right
Okay.
now I'm in the office, so now I have to go, ma'am.
Wow. Okay, okay, okay. You are utilizing your time in office as well. That's so nice. Okay, I think
Yes,
it's
yes,
already half an
yes.
hour. So it was really nice talking to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Have
Okay,
a good
bye-bye.
day ahead. Bye.